Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we practice some important bits regarding the topic modal auxiliaries from the English grammar. It dash be ready by Friday as long as we don't have any unexpected problems. Fill in the blank. Answer should. There are plenty of tomatoes in the fridge. You dash buy any. Answer needn't. She dashed to lunch. She usually goes at this time. Answer must have gone. Drivers dash stop when the traffic lights are red. Answer must. If we had had more time, we dash have finished it. Answer could have. Take an umbrella. It dash rain later. Answer might. It was her birthday yesterday. We dash got her a card. I feel awful. Answer should have. People dash walk on the grass. Answer mustn't. She dash be here in a minute. She only went out to get a newspaper. Answer should. Jessica dash work hard to crack her CA exam. Answer has to. Sorry, I'm late. I dash drop the kids off at school. Answer had to. Nowadays, the women have dual responsibilities as they dash work at home and office as well. Answer have to. I dash replied earlier, but I was out all day yesterday. Answer would have. Dash you speak French? Answer can. It dash been a great party if a few more people had come. Answer would have. We dash obey our teachers. Answer must. Although we didn't have the right tools, we dash get the work finished on time. Answer were able to. We dash prepare our lessons well before the examination. Answer ought to. He dash passed easily if only he would spent a bit more time revising. Answer: could have. She dash finish this work before I go. Answer: must. We could change the color. I suppose dash. Answer: suggestion. The rules say that you dash bring along your identity card to the examination hall. Answer: need to. She was driving so fast that she dash stop in time. Answer: couldn't. The rain has stopped, so you dash put on your raincoat. Answer: needn't. If people dash live forever, the world be dash overcrowded. Answer: could, would. I have lost one of my gloves. I dash it somewhere. Answer: must have dropped. Why did you push her? She dash have fallen and hurt herself. Answer: could. If anybody dash for us, tell them we dash be in the cafeteria. Answer: looks, will. The animal dash to be put to sleep as it dash be dangerous later on. Answers: has, may. After the death of her grandma, Lalita dashed sit on the rock and gazed down into the water. Answer: could. Dash I watch television when I finish my homework. Answer: might. Since she left town, her brother dash clean and cook for the family. Answer: need to. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.